And we're back to learning CapCut in the year day 47. Let me show the fade transition. So I've already shown you can fade your clips, but what if you've got two clips and now you want to have a fade directly here where they transition? Just keep it like this, so stacked horizontally. You're going to have what's called a jump cut. And now you could use the blend for the first clip, blend it out, and then the second to blend it in. But there's an easier way. And this is right here under transitions. Open a drop down, you can cycle through them. But the easiest way to find it is to just type in fade. There's a search function, confirm via enter, and then you get all the transitions that have a fade in the name. Many of them are nowadays already pro, but for example, the black fade is currently free. If you left click on the thumbnail, you can see preview, but to actually add it to your footage, you have to click on the plus sign here. And obviously, if you haven't used it before, you might have to download it first. But now you can see right here, the first one fades to black and the second fades from black. So it's a fade out, then a fade in, built into one effect. And what you can also see is you can now select this element in the timeline. So let me left click here on the clip. We have already basics. And now if I click on the center position, you can see on the top right, we have a specific menu for the transition. Drop down here should be open. And here for this specific black fade, you can adjust the duration. Simply use the slider or type it in numerically. Let me make it 1 second. I'll play it again. And this is the way it works with all transitions. So you can cycle through them by simply clicking on the thumbnail, and then you can see the preview. If you like something, click on the plus sign, it will be added. And this is how you can create a fade between two videos in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.